Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. Today let's take a look at stocks from the same sector which have been down the last couple of months, especially the last couple of months. Yes, they've been down since the highs of 2015, the same sector stocks, and this is MNRO. Let's take a look at another stock from the same sector. You can see recently we've seen this slide. Another stock here, ORLY. Again, over the last couple of months, we've seen this acceleration lower. And if you take a look at AutoZone, same type of action, this acceleration lower. Now, all these stocks met the minimum requirements for the ultimate Muathe sell signal as they moved to 3-year lows. For example, if we go back to MNRO's monthly chart, and here I'm using about 3 years worth of monthly data so I can show you the break, and we can see that the MACDs had moved to 3-year lows well before this recent drop, and even recently here. So it met the minimum requirements over the last couple of months, moving to 3-year lows on the monthly RSI and MACD. Let's take a look at AAP. Let's do this quickly, and we can see here also the recent slide coincides with a move to 3-year lows on the RSI, and the MACDs also moved to 3-year lows, as you can see right here. So it met the minimum requirement, hence the recent slide. Let's take a look at ORLY, and this one I've discussed previously, I believe, and here we can see that it had already broken down to 3-year lows at the beginning of 2017. MACDs also jumped to 3-year lows, as you can see, and even recently the main MACD moved to 3-year lows. And if we take a look at AutoZone, we can see it moved to 3-year lows towards the end of 2016 on the RSI, and the MACDs were also trading at 3-year lows. So 3-year lows, 3-year lows. Again, RSI was at 3-year lows. So no surprise that the stocks have had this drop. But the reason for this video is not to share with you the ultimate sell signal. It is to discuss the idea I always mention here. Be on the lookout for stocks that are moving their monthly RSI for the first time in 3 years plus below 38.2. When the RSI moves below 38.2 for the first time in more than 3 years, you tend to have what looks like a crash, right? That's AutoZone's move below 38.2 over the last 2 months. Take a look at ORLY's move below 38.2 this month as a continuation of last month. Also looks like a crash. Take a look at AAP, moving below 38.2 over the last 2 months, looks like a crash. And let's take a look at MNRO, Monro, and we can see here moving below 38.2 coincides with what looks like a crash. So be on the lookout for stocks that are cracking below 38.2 for the first time in more than 3 years. They tend to have a negative reaction in what I could just describe looks like a crash. Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. ESS.